How to find a lost or a stolen phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you worried because your phone is lost or is stolen? Then you don't have to worry. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily locate your phone. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. So the first thing you're going to do is head over to your computer and open up any web browser, and then make sure that your browser is logged into the account that's logged into your phone as well. So what you're going to do is search for Find My Device and then hit enter, and you'll find the Google's Find My Device icon right here. Just open up this link and then click on Sign In option. Now from here you can select your device. So this is my device right here. I'm just going to click on it. And if your device has your location turned on, it will locate your device right away. If you want, you can also play the sound. So as you can see, it has already found my device. So you can just play sound if you want, and it will send a ring request. You guys just heard the phone is right here with me, and it's showing me the network it's connected to and its battery percentage as well. If you want, you could also secure your device. So just tap on secure device and you can add a contact information for this. And once you have done that, if you've lost access to your device completely, you can factory reset your device. So that's how you find your lost device. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.